Hello and welcome back to the display corner here at CDS. Today we're bringing you another product from Glorystar. Glorystar have been a partner of ours for many years, and this is a twist on their existing Android-based products, and they call it the Capella. So Capella is, as I said, an Android-based platform, and it's based on a different aspect ratio than their traditional displays. So it's a stretched format. As you can imagine, we offer a lot of stretched displays, and this one is designed for fit in architectural areas where either you have limited headroom or you want to build it into an architectural plinth or something where you don't have the space for a traditional 16:9 screen, or where you just want to differentiate it from your standard TV type digital signage product. So unusually for Glorystar, this one is a non-touch product, so it's designed to work as a digital signage product rather than an interactive product. As such, the lockdown app is slightly customized, so rather than the Stars application where you can interact with touch, this one actually works through a infrared remote control. So on the side of the unit, we'll cut to a little cutout in a second, there is an infrared sensor where you can actually cover the sensor up for protection, so people can't use the remote control without having access to this security panel on the side. At the moment, we've got it running in media player mode, so the Canva application, which is the non-touch version of the Stars application, enables you to, as I say, use the remote control to select between the different modes. So at the moment, just for demonstration, we've got it running in media player mode, but you also have app mode. So if you have your own APK, you can install the application onto the device and lock the device down to your application. You also have multi-app mode, so you can launch multiple apps at the same time, and maintenance mode, which is a new mode for Canva. So if you are using the display and doing some maintenance on it, perhaps it's offline or something like that, you can get it to go into maintenance mode where it will just show a holding screen while you're working on the device in the background. You may also see here, currently it's offline. You can connect these devices to Star Control. So Star Control, I will be doing another video on that, which I'll link to in the description below, is an online platform that Glorystar offer for you to link all of their devices and remotely access them. So to, for example, change the work mode, deliver content, do firmware updates, do application updates, this kind of thing. So a complete MDM management system, which is a subscription-based service. So Capella is compatible with Star Control should you wish to add that subscription on to the device when you purchase it. So for the purposes of demo, we're just running it in media player mode at the moment. So it will run a looping video content, a number of images, videos that you can simply update to the screen via USB, or if you do have a Star Control subscription, as I mentioned before, you can actually log in remotely to the Star Control platform and deliver the content to the screen. So if you have multiples of these in various places around the world, you can roll out a new advert or something directly to the screens through Star Control. So let's just get this up and running. So we've got some media selected already, and we're just going to have it launch the display now, and you'll see very nice screen on this one. So this is a fish tank. Unfortunately, we've got the display the wrong way around for the video, but you get the idea of what the possibilities are. So this is a 700 nit display, lovely crisp brightness. It's an original panel as well. It's not a cut panel, so for longevity, very good choice. Also a nice slim bezel as well. So very nice, simple way to deliver content in an interesting aspect ratio. And again, you have the Glorystar backup, the Glorystar quality, the Glorystar longevity, which we've always loved here at CDS. I'll take a couple of cutouts of the back of the screen so you can have a look at the whole unit. If you'd like more information on the Capella, follow the links. Thank you.